So 1 tray, 4 ways to marble. Which works best?
Hey, folks.
Hey, that's my line. Rude. Hey, folks. Welcome to the channel.
Hello.
So I am taking the standard oval tray that pretty much I think everybody owns because
I think this is probably one of those molds that you get when you first start out.
Yeah. We all see a big creator using them and we go, well, I must have that.
It's either that or key rings.
That or key rings. Yeah. So I've taken some Aquacast and what I'm going to do is do 4 different marbling techniques. And then I'm going to, let you decide which one you like most. If any, you might go, Nikki, frankly, they're all a bit pants.
Possibly.
I don't think they are. I think there's 1 or 2 that are quite pretty.
I think there's one I like. But
spoilers. How
many different marbling techniques are there?
I don't know, but I'm doing 4.
Okay.
So this is the first one. So I've taken, I think this tray is 200 grams of Aquacast, which I've already mixed up. And I've added 5 drops of Periwinkle and 5 drops of Mermaid, which is from Homeware Design Co., which you can buy on Etsy, or I think they've actually got their own website now. So I'll leave a link to them in the description. But this particular colour combination, quite possibly one of my all-time favourites ever. So I'm going to use that in all of them.
Okay.
So
you've put 5 drops of each and then you've swirled it.
So I've put 5 drops of each into the Aquacast. I've given it a swirl just to try and make the colour go deep into the Aquacast.
Yeah.
And then the other thing that I do, and this is a personal thing, I put a tiny drop on the spout so that when I pour it and the main colour has sort of run through, there's still a bit.
Does that not go first?
No.
Oh.
No, it stays there. Don't ask me why. I'm sure there's some super mystical way. It's wizardry, it is.
Aquacast wizardry.
It's Aquacast wizardry.
Okay.
Yeah. So, and then you just literally pour it into the tray.
I suppose how you pour it makes a difference as well.
Yeah, so you can pour it like just around the edge. You could do it in like a back and forward sort of way. You can do it however you like. I tend to go round the edges and then I fill in the middle in a zigzaggy pattern.
Would it have the same effect if you just poured it straight to the middle and then let it spread out?
Aquacast doesn't self-level. You have to tappy.
Well, yeah.
So
does that interfere with the marbling?
What, tapping?
Yeah.
It does a little bit.
Does it?
So you have to tap gently. I am tapping very gently.
Are you?
I am actually.
Well, you just knocked half of it across the
tray. I'm tapping at the sort of the top of the tray. So rather than normally I tap from the base of the tray.
Yeah.
I'm tapping at the top of the tray so that the bottom is becoming fiddled with. I don't know how else to put that. We're just going to leave that there. So that's method 1. And then it's just a case of leaving it until it sets.
Okay.
So whilst that was setting, I did number 2.
Number 2.
And in this one, I separated the mixture into 2 cups. So I've got 2 100 grams of Aquacast, and I put 5 drops of purple into one.
Yeah.
And 5 drops of Mermaid into the second.
Okay.
And this was one I was quite intrigued about because I personally very, very, very rarely, if ever, do this particular method.
Why?
Because I have a method that is much preferred by me.
Okay.
So
I would do it this way if I was using resin.
Well, how would you do it if you were doing Aquacast?
I don't know.
Right, exactly. So that's why I'm doing this. So
my initial thought would be doing it this way.
Yeah.
For a marbling.
So I wanted to show the difference in how you do it. I mean, ideally, for a perfect comparison, I would have had a third hand where I had the white, because obviously before I had the white and it was marbled with the colours.
Yeah.
This is a solid marble with just the colours because I've only got two hands.
Okay.
Contrary to popular belief, my love, I have only got two hands.
Shame.
I know. So
could have asked me to help. What?
No.
Why not?
Because you won't do it right.
He's literally just pouring it into the...
I know, but if there's a way for it to be done wrong, you'll do it and then it'll annoy me. So no.
It's even more reason to do it.
No. So all I've done is I take the 2 cups and I literally do it as if, exactly the same as if I was doing resin.
Yeah.
I just go around the edges and then just wiggle them around a bit. Essentially, there's no rhyme or reason to it. You just pour it and wiggle.
Okay.
This is the wiggle method.
The fiddle with it.
This is the wiggle method, I'm calling it.
Okay. So what was the first one?
Drippy.
The drippy method.
The drippy method.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you've got the drippy method.
Yeah. This is the wiggle method.
The wiggle method.
Yeah. What do you think? You liking my names?
I don't think you should name anything, really.
Why?
Because they're rubbish names.
Well, what would you call them?
I don't know.
Anyway, so again, I'm tapping from the very top of the mould rather than the bottom.
And this is just a note to say thank you to our Glitterati members.
Indeed.
You are all legends.
They are, indeed. Yes. Yes. So that's tray 2. And then it was on to tray 3. And at this point, I was questioning my life choices because I thought, I've not left myself a lot of space, really. So I used a split cup for this. So I mixed it up exactly the same way, added the same number of drops, but I used a mix cup to put it into the tray.
Couldn't have you used a 3-way split cup and put the white in the middle?
I could.
Because then you wouldn't need 3 hands.
I could have, but I wanted to have those two to compare. So what's the difference between using a split cup, say, and just pouring it with your hands? Is it worth what I'm trying to ascertain? Is it worth the extra dirty cup?
Okay.
Because if it's not, then that's that. But if it is, I wanted to see.
Okay.
You see?
That's fair enough.
I had a curious moment. And again, tapping from the top rather than the bottom.
So if you had like a vibration plate, would that ruin it?
Yeah, because it was going to jiggle it all over the place, isn't it?
Well, that's what you're doing.
I'm not jiggling it. I'm tapping. There's difference. You really need to get down with the lingo, my love. Anyway, this is another method. So I take
number 4.
This is number 4.
Okay.
Or we're going to call it the unnatural water method.
Oh, the unnatural water. What was the method of the other one you used?
That was the split cup method.
Some rubbish name.
So in this one, I'm going to put 10 mils of water.
Unnatural water. It's got to be unnatural water.
Into the little needle nose bottle. And then I add 5 drops of pigment to that. Give it a really good shake. And then I'm going to mix up my Aquacast. Again, 200 grams. Whizzy. And look, I now have, you'll all be pleased to hear this, I now have a replacement whisk.
Yeah, but within 5 minutes, you broke one.
No, that's a different one. That's a completely different one. I broke the first one.
Yeah, you literally took it out of the bag and it snapped.
So in this method, I take my needle nose bottle and I just drop the pigment straight onto the tray.
Willy-nilly.
Willy-nilly. There's no rhyme or reason to it. And then I take the other pigment colour and do exactly the same. I just dribble it, drop it, dribble it, whatever.
So you've got the...
It's a chaos. This is the chaos method.
Okay.
I like that.
Okay. I was going to say it's like the dribbly method.
Or you could call it that.
I like the chaos method.
You could call it that. And then I just wanted a tiny bit more as it came down. So I just squirting it on as it floats down a little bit. Because I wanted the bottom to not be a solid white.
Okay.
So this way it won't be, you see?
So it's the chaotic squirt method.
Yes. Yeah, we're not calling it that though. But yeah. So once I was done, I just give the cup a really good scrape. And again, it needs to have a little tap. But just a gentle...
Always tap.
Just a gentle agitation rather than, beat the life out of it.
Okay.
So there we go. And then I just left them to dry. That was it.
So this is what, 90 minutes is this stuff?
Yes, 90 minutes to demold. So
90 minutes later?
This is not 90 minutes later. This is about 2 hours later because I went and had some lunch. And I watched an episode of Supernatural, which I thoroughly enjoyed.
Yep.
So this is tray 1.
Yep.
This is where I put the drops into the Aquacast.
I like that one.
This is your favourite, is it?
That's my favourite one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why?
I think that one, the colour is quite
vibrant. Yeah.
Yeah, that one stands out more than the other ones that you've shown.
All right. Well, I haven't shown any others yet. Spoilers. Rude. So that's tray 1. So that's the drip method.
Yeah, I like that one.
Okay. Then tray 2 is where I took the 2 cups and just poured it in like it was resin.
Yep.
Like regular resin.
Yep. 1 tray, 2 cups.
One.
Or was it 2 cups, 1 tray?
2 cups, 1 tray. Yeah. God. Really? So that's what that turned out like.
Yeah, so that one didn't marble as well, I don't think.
It doesn't sing to me.
No.
Doesn't sing to me. It's not, I don't know if it's because the white's missing, but if I'm completely honest and full disclosure, it was only at this point I was like, I forgot to put any white in. And then I came up with the really good excuse of, well, I haven't got 3 hands, so it's okay.
Right, okay.
See? I'm not, I'm going to be honest. But you get a good comparison between the split cup and this one, which is fine. So,
okay. That one worked a little better.
Yeah.
But it's still not as marbly as the first one.
No, it's not. No. So the first one is the one that pretty much everybody does.
Because that's the one that works the best.
Yeah. But this one,
yeah,
I don't know who uses it. I don't know.
What, the chaotic
the chaos method.
The chaotic squirty method.
Yeah. Yeah. But I quite like it.
Okay.
When I eventually turn it over.
I know, yeah, you do tend to take your time with these.
Well, no, because you have to pick off the bits on the edge.
See, that one's not too bad.
But I really like that one. See, if I was, those to me are the winners.
Yeah.
Now, if I wanted vibrant colour, which 9 times out of 10 I do, I'm going to do the one on the right.
Yeah.
And if I want
like a pastel or
subtle, muted, gentle colour, I would do the method on the left.
But you wouldn't do the 2.
I personally don't think I would ever do the 2 in the middle.
What about if you did the split cut but put white in there as well?
I still don't think it would be as nice.
No?
I just don't think it's, I just don't think it works as well. That's my feeling.
Okay.
So, that's it. Really, really quick and simple video for today. Yeah. Let us know in the comments which is your preferred tray, and if indeed you use an eco resin, what's your favorite method for marbling? Is it the drip technique, the cup technique, the split cup technique, or the drippage, or the squirty technique? Let us know. And if you are still with us all the way at the end, don't forget to check back with us on, I think, Saturday, because I'm actually going to see what sealers work best on trays.
Yes, so these trays will feature again
Yeah.
in the next one.
Possibly on Saturday, maybe next Tuesday. I don't know. You're just going to have to come back and have a little look, aren't you?
Who knows?
You'd have to have a little look-see.
Yep.
But if you do like our creative sort of chaos, please do feel free to hit that like button.
Yeah, and while you're down there, why not give the subscribe a little buff?
And hopefully we'll see you in the next one.
Yeah.
Have a great few days.
Yep.
Take care, everyone. Bye for now.
Bye for now.